Hey everyone, we are here today at the fundraising event for the 6th Annual Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church Mahbera Qeddusan Campus Ministries General Assembly.
That's right, Miriam. Today we are raising funds to make this one the best one yet. Come, let's take a look inside.
Our community is coming together to support a weekend of praise, fellowship, and fun at George Mason University, Dewberry Hall from July 19th to 21st.
At the General Assembly, I'm looking forward to meeting my brothers and sisters from everywhere, and this is my first time going to an in-person one, and I want to grow spiritually and learn a lot at this General Assembly.
I think it's important to support the General Assembly because it's the first time we've had it in person in a while. It's a great opportunity to grow in your faith, network, meet other students, and overall learn a lot.
The reason why I think it's important to support the General Assembly is, although there's nothing that we can do to repay God for what He has done for us, it's another opportunity to show our zealous pride and solidarity to upholding the true one faith. It's a testament to God's undeserved and continuous love and faithfulness towards us. As in the 9th hour on Friday, when He shone His light to those in hate, as He's shown His light to all of us personally, this is another way to emulate the glory and the love that He has shown all of us to each other, whether proximity or whether spiritually. As Saint Stephen in Acts 6 or Acts 5 had the face of an angel, one being persecuted. We all have that opportunity to show the face of an angel to all of us. And most importantly, or last but not least, it's another great opportunity for the youth to gather together, network, connect, build a strong base, share ideas. As St. Paul says in Ephesians chapter 4, verse 1 through 5, there's one body and one spirit, and we are called to that. And it's our duty to be united, to live in one spirit. And what better way to do that at the General Assembly?
We're so excited to see you all at George Mason University, Dewberry Hall. If you haven't registered yet, make sure to sign up.
Once you are at the DMV area, we have your transportation covered. Food and accommodations will also be covered for our out-of-state friends. See you at the General Assembly on July 19th to the 21st.